Afternoon. Today I'm going to be tying an olive cruncher. I'm going to be tying it with soft hackles. I've got an olive cruncher, an olive cape here. It's a Brahma hen cape, so I'm going to use this to see how it comes out. In the vise I've got a size 10 Wetfly hook from Fario. This is a black nickel barbless, and the thread I'll be using is Unithread olive Dunn. So I've already pre-waxed it, so I'll run the thread down the hook. It's touching turns all the way down. Just take it to where the barb will normally be. Oops. Cut off the waist. Don't like that there. And for the tail, I've been tying these earlier. This is the Brahma hackle. So it's a speckled feather. So I'll just take a wee pinch. Like I say, they're very soft. And for the body, just for the tail, a bit shorter than the body, I would say. Just tie that in there. And for the rib, I've got this olive coloured wire. So just tie this in. Just got the excess off. All the way down, then come back up. And for the body, I've got a Picric dyed pheasant tail. So I'll take about maybe 3-4 fibres of this. Tie them in tip first. Just leave room for the thorax. Need a bit of room. So, one's broke off. When you're using the dyed pheasant tail, it's quite brittle. Just turn them round with your fingers and hold them down the hook to pull them round. And tie them off. So bring the thread back down, bring the rib up, and wiggle it off. And for the cheeks I've got olive holographic. So just tie this in each side. Just tie it in, back down. And for the thorax we're using Peacock, 2 strands of Peacock hearl. So just wind this round 3 or 4 times. There you go. Got off the waist and pull the cheeks forward. There you pull. We'll just check the other side. Yep, happy with that. So cut off the waist. And the hackle we're using is the olive Brahma. So just find the tip. Tight end tip first. And hackle pliers. So it's just one turn. Just brush the fibres back. That's it there. Tie it off. Cut off the waist. Re-tidy up. And whip finish. 1, 2, 3, 4. And varnish the eye, varnish the head, sorry. So there we go, that's a olive cruncher, just with a soft tackle. I do well with olive crunchers, really well, especially down in Rutland and Grafham when I've been down. But this is just another wee twist, another wee variant, so hopefully it works quite well. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.